With Benro's GH5C mini gimbal head, balancing long lenses with a lightweight head has never been easier. Combining high-quality materials with advanced functionality and precision. These specialized heads are perfect for dynamic sport or wildlife photography. With a load capacity of 66 pounds or 30 kilograms, the GH5C Mini allows you to maneuver cameras with large telephoto lenses quickly and comfortably to ensure consistently sharp images. This gimbal is robust yet lightweight for travel. Its body features carbon fiber construction. The vertical scale allows you to precisely balance your camera every time and quickly track fast-moving subjects with ease. You can also achieve repeatable 360-degree pans with the panoramic scale. By adjusting the tension on the large pivot knob to your preferences, you can achieve extreme tilt angles, getting you that perfect shot. And the integrated bubble level prevents uneven pan movements. The GH5C features a hollow-designed Arca Swiss-style quick-release plate, allowing for quick attachment and release of your camera. When you're done shooting, throw your GH5C mini head into the included drawstring bag and you're good to go. Featuring dynamic maneuverability, precision, and versatility, the Benro GH5C mini gimbal head has everything you need to capture those unpredictable moments when you're out in the field. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.